Guys, what's up? We're on our way to hike Gros Morne Mountain. We're going to summit this beast. Dustin, how long of a hike is this?
Today, I'm hoping that it's going to be, a nice, casual 7 hours for us to go up and down. But it's about a 16-kilometer hike today, but we are going up to the summit, which is 800 meters of elevation, and we're basically just going straight up the side of this mountain here. It's going to be a bit of a scramble going up, but it will be well worth it at the top. So we're halfway now, or what?
Not quite.
How far? Maybe less than a quarter.
Oh, yeah. So that was basically the warm-up to the real hike, which is this mountain that we're about to summit. So there's about at least 600 meters, I think, in elevation gain from now till then, and it's just straight up that mountain. It's unreal.
How much left do you think? How do you think?
They're 14.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. We got lots of work to do.
Yeah. But the good news is, once we get to the top of the mountain, really it's all downhill from there.
Let's check out this view.
Yeah. Well, that was a good hike up the mountain. Took a long time to get up there. That was definitely the steepest incline I've ever done.
Really?
Oh yeah. Yeah, and it's tough because it's so rocky like this and loose, and so sometimes every step forward is 2 steps back.
Yeah, with the backpack too.
Yeah, it makes it challenging for sure. So we're gonna be going on around the backside of the mountain, but the good news is there's actually more crazy views on the backside of the mountain too. No, it's pretty much the highest point in the surrounding area.
That was literally 4 seasons of weather in the last couple hours.
Yeah, well, I mean, we started off, it was kind of cool in the parking lot.
Yep.
And then we were in t-shirts and shorts ripping up the mountain.
Yep.
Then freezing at the top of the mountain.
It's a very one-of-a-kind place.
Yeah. And then rain on the backside of the mountain.
Yep.
Then freezing again.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Well, we just finished the hike. Absolutely exhausted. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Nice. Well, I'm gassed.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty tired. That was I do this once, maybe twice a year because it is a tough one.
It was amazing hike. Definitely one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life.
Yeah.
No, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I was telling you about it. Thanks for coming out. It was nice to show you guys up the hill.
For sure. Did some food.
Yeah.
What's up? We're back in Cox's Cove with Darren, Four Seasons Tours. Excited to get out on the water and catch some fish.
Let's go catch our supper.
Let's go.
So like I said, Green Island, where I'm normally catching all the mackerel, is right there in front of us. But as you see, the white caps is probably a little bit there. So we're going to head in, goose arm, fingers crossed.
You seen any whales this year?
Yesterday, we had bluefin tunas there yesterday, 800-900 pound coming out of the water, 800 was the mackerel, right?
Wow.
Had a lady actually from Nova Scotia there 3 weeks ago. She done a cross-island ATV tour, her and her son. So one of the banks of fishes is 280 feet out in the center of the bay.
Jeez.
She's bringing up the fish. She said, Darren, I just seen something underneath the dory. 3 sharks underneath the dory. So she's bringing up a fish. Well, 20 seconds later, the rod's almost going out of her hand.
Wow.
Anyway, let's go. So one of the sharks tore the fish in 2. She brings it right to the surface. The uncle are doing a video. Another shark took the fish. The uncle had the video with the shark. They're right by the dory.
No way.
That was pretty wild.
What kind of shark is it?
5 foot poor beagle.
Wow. That's wild.
So I mean, that's the thing about the ocean, right? Every day is something different, right?
Yeah. Wow.
Anyway, last Saturday, the boys were there, seeing the young beer. Anyway, Wednesday and Thursday I was ashore. When I went ashore Friday morning, here's a beer. Had the palm prints all over the door, window.
Big bear, you think?
According to the track.
Yeah. Wow.
The season just opened Saturday again. Not a boat. Yes. First 3 weeks of July was pretty well put yoke in the water. A little bit of bait was around.
Wow.
Since then, I mean, this is my livelihood. I'm telling my guests, boys, it's up to you if you want to come. That's how bad a fishing is.
Yeah.
So lucky nobody said no, whatever. They're still coming, see the scenery, catching redfish, few mackerel, couple cod, whatever. Still catching fish, right? So let her go, guys. Like I say, 140, 150 feet, so straight down.
No casting.
Open up, straight down.
Sweet.
He knows me. There we go. Fish on, fish on, fish on.
Nice.
There you go. Nice and steady, nice and steady. Just come towards me. Come towards me. Codfish, codfish.
Let's go.
Beautiful codfish.
Oh.
Oh, on your codfish, buddy.
Lunch. Let's go. I got
Alex,
fish.
yeah, pluck, Alex. Oh, take your time, Alex. Take your time. Take your time.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Lovely.
Whoa.
Nothing wrong with it.
Let's go.
Got up there.
The next guy. Oh, look. That's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. Come on. Yeah. Hey. Oh, red.
Over there, yeah. Perfect.
That's a good red.
A little bigger, yeah.
That's bigger than home. Oh, we got one too.
Hey, oh, that's not a mackerel.
This is some
Nice.
There he is. No, it was big.
Should we get?
Oh, yeah.
Like me. Oh, nice codfish.
Funny.
Look at this. Boys, what a cod. Awesome codfish. Look at that.
Hey.
Oh, there you go. That's a big fish, buddy.
Yeah.
Holy freak. That's no sculpin. Nice cod. That's a cod. Beautiful codfish.
Yeah.
Look at that. Another lovely cod, boy.
Oh, you gave it a real kiss.
Give it a good kiss. No back.
Look at that, 5 there now. 5 of them there. Never seen that before in my life.
They're getting lower.
Oh, another one.
You got it.
Yep.
Oh my God. That was awesome. Some of the best fishing I've ever seen. Definitely the biggest fish ever caught, but we had a great time out there with Darren, Four Season Tours. Be sure to check it out. We're gonna have some lunch right now and get back out on the water.
This t-shirt tonight, boys. $2 power soft oil.
Unreal.
I mean, this is unreal heat he puts on it. See how this is now? Little dust in the flour, salt and pepper. Jeez. Have a go, have a go. See what he thinks.
Oh, good.
That's why I love to do my codfish or redfish, cut up little chunks like a chicken nugget or whatever. It's so easy to turn over, so easy to flip.
Right out of the water.
That's fresh. That's red. That's redfish.
Redfish. Wow. Really good. Really good. Give me nothing left for Brad. Oh, that was amazing. We had a ton of fun out there at Darren with Four Seasons Tours. We got codfish, redfish, mackerel, saw a ton of eagles, explored Cox's Cove. Epic time. Be sure to check it out if you're in this area. Let's go make some fish and chips. All right, we're here at Rugged Edge. Downtown Cornerbrook is 5 minutes away. There's over 2,000 kilometers of trail. Can't wait to go check it out. What do you think?
Yeah, it's awesome. We're surrounded by backcountry, but one cool thing about Cornerbrook is we can actually rip these things right through town.
That's cool.
So that's going to be a really fun experience. We're going to start by driving to the heart of Cornerbrook and then head into the backcountry for a cook-up.
Cool. And what's the viewpoint called?
We're going to be heading into Serpentine Lake today, which is pretty epic. I haven't been in there in a while, but I think we're all going to be in for a bit of a surprise today.
Under a little bit of a feast.
And definitely a little bit of a feat. Also a surprise for it.
All right, let's get it. All right, we've arrived at Serpentine Valley, one of the most beautiful places I've ever been by far. Craig, what's this place all about?
And this is one of the most scenic places we'd like to take our guests, right? So you're seeing so much. You're seeing the water, the river, get all these beautiful mountains around you. I just saw today coming down too, all the colors, right? This is just it's a majestic place, man. It's amazing, and it's so close for us to get here, so it's great to come here.
What a drive in too. That was a nice trail, and the trails keep going probably all over the place here, right?
And we're lucky. We've got hundreds of kilometers of trail around here.
Wow.
So it makes it pretty easy to get down.
And up next we got a little cookout, eh?
Yeah. So this is traditional, like for us in Newfoundland. The cook-up is a part of, going for a ride with your mom or your dad or your friends and family. It's how we do things on the weekends or weeknights or nice days or whatever.
So what do we have here? Some local stuff?
Yeah, this is all local stuff from Bombers, local chicken, pork. He uses lamb, moose, beef, whatever. Bombers does a really good job on the stuff is, is good, fresh, and natural. And it's great for snacks on the trail.
You're living the East Coast lifestyle here.
Definitely are living East Coast lifestyle.
Yeah, it's an amazing experience. Definitely check out Rugged Edge.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Awesome. Let's have some food.
Yep.
trip continued, we had our sights set on exploring two of the best local golf courses in the area, Humber Valley and Blomidon Golf Club. Both offered something truly unique, and we couldn't wait to get out there. First, we made our way to Humber Valley Golf Course, nestled just outside of Pasadena. This course is not only known for its challenging greens, but also for the breathtaking views that surround every hole. Next, we headed to Blomidon Golf Club, located right in the heart of Corner Brook. This course is a gem of the city, offering stunning panoramic views of Corner Brook itself, along with the nearby islands and ocean views. It was an unforgettable 2 rounds of golf with amazing conditions for September. And then Dustin had one more thrill up his sleeve. He convinced Brad and I to confront our fear of heights head on by trying out the Marble Mountain zip line with Marble Zip Tours. Ziplining high above a waterfall while taking in the stunning views was a wild, heart-pounding experience that pushed our limits. The views were amazing, and it made for a great adventure. Well, that was an epic last few days, from cod fishing with Darren to going off-roading with Craig with Rugged Edge, Blomidon Golf, Humber Valley Golf, amazing food from Piker's Place, Park West. What a time, man. Thank you so much.
Summiting Gros Morne Mountain.
Yeah.
So much in just a few days.
The ice was still killing. So
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
Definitely one of the hardest hikes I've ever done. For me, the highlight was probably the hike overall, but I had an amazing time doing all the expeditions, so I really want to say thank you for everything and setting it all up. It's awesome.
Absolutely, man. It's so awesome to have you and the crew back in Western Newfoundland, and we hope you keep coming back. So what'd you think of the Hue and Draw last night?
Amazing. What a nice hotel. We got a chance to go down to dinner there as well, but the rooms were just amazing, so really nice spot to stay.
Yeah,
Right
nice
downtown.
view. You had the King Suite.
King Suite. Yeah, had a nice long shower after that nice long day, so
Yeah.
wicked. Absolutely. We'll be back in February for Jib Fest, so I can't wait for that already.
Let's
and
go.
hopefully we get some snowmobiling in. It sounds like it's epic. Awesome.
Deadly.
Thanks, brother.
Let's go.
Let's go.